I know it. You want to make money online, maybe passive income, utilizing maybe affiliate marketing or maybe some other venue where you can start making money very quickly, but things are not working out. Then other people start telling you, you need to give up. I'm going to tell you something. Don't let other people's opinion of you determine how you show up in life. And the first solution is very simple. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know. Also, that would tell me that you want more solutions for issues that are stopping you from becoming successful. That would also let me know to make more of these videos to help you out, and also that would help the channel as well. You're probably wondering a little bit about me. Well, I didn't have any money. I was borrowing money from everybody just to make ends meet until I end up in debt. But things have changed. I met the right person who helped me as a mentor, and my life right now absolutely blessed. I can do a lot of things that I could not do before. I can enjoy life, buy the things that I want, and go anywhere I want. And I really think you deserve the same thing. So let's talk about passive income, how you can start generating and making money online very quickly. We're going to discuss three main options. We're also going to go over whether these things are really good for you or not. Can you make money online utilizing these options? Maybe you don't, maybe you do. So I'm going to cover that as well, and then you can make your decision based on your ability and your experience. Number one, YouTube channel. There's a lot of misleading information that people online, and they make videos about it, and they show you, hey, look at me, look at my YouTube channel, it's making a lot of money, and they show you a graph that looks something like this, and you go like, whoa, my gosh, you're making a lot of money. They show you, oh man, you're making $500, $800, $1,000 a day, but they neglect to tell you that a YouTube channel, if you want to make money right now, this will not make you money right now. The reason for that is very simple. To get started, you need to have 1,000 active subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you make any money on ad revenues. And these people that showing you these screenshots, and they even go to their own accounts showing you these things, they've been doing it. I looked at all of them. Nobody been doing it for less than 3 years. The one that making the big money, they've been in it for 5 and 6 years. Yes, because this is a slow process. However, if you have a business, start a YouTube channel, but don't expect to make a lot of money and cover bills from it. Just want to give you a heads up on that. Regardless, if you're not in it for the ad revenue or something like that, I hope I made that clear. If you have any questions, you let me know. Number two, affiliate marketing. Just in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you want to know what the industry. Affiliate marketing is a $14 billion and it's growing tremendously. Right now, it's the largest money-making opportunity on the internet. I'm going to go ahead and tell you first, in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is very much like a real estate agent. The real estate agent does not own the properties that he's selling, houses, for example. But nonetheless, when he sells one, he makes a commission, even though the house is not his. He promotes that house. He shows benefits and features to make a sale. And when he makes a sale, he gets a commission, even though the house is not his. Affiliate marketing is very much the same thing. What happens? You promote somebody, you go to them. I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a little bit, but in very few points here. What you do is you would go to the company that you want to promote their product, and they give you a special link. That link is unique to you. And when somebody click on that link, because it's associated with you, they buy that product, regardless if it's a physical product or non-physical, you would get a commission or part of the sales price. It says here 80% commission, necessarily 80%. Some of them are 30%, 20%, 50%, 60%, and some are 80%. So it depends on the product. Let's go ahead and move on a little bit. This is a little bit dated, but John, if you know him, he makes about $500,000, but this is old stats. I know my friend Pat Flynn says here he makes about $176,000 a month. I know for sure he makes triple that because these are real, they're not real-time stats. Now, you're probably asking yourself why this is so popular. Is it going to be popular all the time? Which is a good question. As we talked about, these companies right here, it does not have to be Yahoo, for example. It could be any company or any product. You can create your own product and you can have an affiliate marketing. So let's move on here so we can understand it a little bit better. These companies up here, they used to and they still hire companies. They hire marketing agencies. Marketing agencies, they want to get paid up front. They put advertisement on Yahoo and different platforms, and they charge them up front, and they send the traffic up to these companies or wherever the program or whoever paid them. And they pay them up front, and it's a lot of money. So is this going to be there for a long time? Well, a lot of these companies or a lot of these people that have programs or business they want sale, they figured out if I hire people that do the affiliate marketing just like here, I don't have to pay them up front. I can only pay them after they make the sale. Whenever they make the sale, then I can pay them. That saves them millions of dollars. And that's why it is getting so popular. And most companies that don't have it, they will have affiliate programs in the future. I just want to make sure you understand that point and why affiliate marketing is going to be something of the future. It's not going to go away because it's profitable for whoever is making sales online regardless. I made a video so you don't get scammed. There's a lot of people, what they do is they go and they create video, YouTube scamming video, which is like, I call it the tooth fairy. So I encourage you very highly to watch this video that I have, how to succeed in affiliate marketing, because I found it so annoying that a lot of people fall for those scams. You need to watch this so you're not wasting your time and effort and money doing something that is not going to benefit you at all. Number 3, e-learning. E-learning is a very big industry. According to Forbes magazine, it's going to be climbing up to $325 billion by year 2025. Because of the coronavirus, many people are going online to find ways to make money. Many people taking the liberty and starting and doing some kind of research to start a business online, which is very encouraged. What is it that you can do? You can create courses. Now, again, this is e-learning. That means you are creating a course. People are listening to your course or watching your course, and they pay you money for that. You can create one course only and get paid for it for years and years. You can find out more about that by watching some of my other videos that I explain of how to do that. And one thing I really want you to understand is you don't have to be an expert or have a PhD or have an MBA. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to have a high school diploma. So all you have to do is create something that you like to talk about. Now, there are platforms that you can host your course on, but only I'm going to talk about 2 that are very popular. One of them is ClickFunnels. A lot of people don't know that ClickFunnels, in case you are aware what ClickFunnels is, I'm not telling you to buy or to purchase ClickFunnels. I just want to make you aware that ClickFunnels does have a hosting for courses that you make, and they host it on their server, and it's free of charge. The other one is Teachable. Teachable is very friendly as well, and they want you to succeed, and they have some kind of a charging schedule based on the plan that you pick. So make sure that you read that and you understand it before you do that. Now, it's very important to understand this, and I'm going to say it again. A lot of people think that you have to have a lot of knowledge to create a course. You don't have to have a lot of knowledge. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you an example. A lot of people think that you really have to have, some kind of a knowledge, great knowledge about, creating some kind of a course. You really don't. For example, this one is just about makeup, and she just sit there and she just put makeup. As you can tell here, she's putting makeup on herself. Well, guess how much she made? She had about 1,300 students, so she made close to about $14,000 just by doing this. And a lot of people start with something like this with their cell phone. You do have a smartphone, iPhone, and so forth. You can do that as well. On the other hand, if you have specialized knowledge like IT or bookkeeping, this is a gold mine as well, because a lot of people like to consume education through videos. Universities, colleges are not cutting it anymore. They're not doing their job. You have to understand, this video by itself is not good enough. You need to go a little bit further, and that's what I have for you right now. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, because this is the best way to get started making money online, especially passive income, click up here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.